Manipur Institute of Technology (MIT) has organized an online hands-on workshop on the virtual lab today in its campus in collaboration with IIT Kharagpur team. The workshop was organized under the aegis of Ministry of Education with an aim to provide students with practical exposure to virtual laboratory tools and simulations under MHRD's National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. In the press release, MIT Nodal Center for Virtual Lab Nodal Coordinator Dr. Rajiv Rajkumar highlighted that various resource persons from IIT Kharagpur led these sessions, guiding students through interactive virtual experiments and laboratory techniques during the workshop, which was structured into 3 dedicated rooms catering to different disciplines such as ECE room focused on electrical and electronics engineering experiments, CSE room covered computer science and programming, related virtual labs, and CE and ME program provided hands-on experience for civil and mechanical engineering students. The workshop was participated by over 280 students and 30 faculty members actively engaging in the sessions. The hands-on approach allowed participants to explore real-world application of virtual lab technologies, fostering interactive learning and innovation. MIT also extended its gratitude to IIT Kharagpur for their valuable collaboration and also looked forward to organizing such interactive sessions in the future.